Mommy, look. Birds.
Wow, there are so many. What are they doing?
They are talking.
Really? What are they saying?
Tweet, tweet. Hello, Mr. Bird. Did you eat your breakfast?
That's a good question. What do birds eat for breakfast?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? I don't think so, sweetie.
Yes. Tiny, tiny pancakes.
Maybe they eat seeds and worms instead?
Ew. No, Mommy. Worms are yucky. Birds don't eat worms.
But they do. They love worms.
Maybe birds are just playing with worms. Like a wiggly toy.
That's an interesting idea.
Can I go outside and give them pancakes?
I think they might fly away if we get too close.
I know. I will be a bird. Tweet, tweet.
Oh wow. Now we have a little birdie in the house.
Yes. I am on a bird. I want pancakes, please.
Okay, little birdie. Let's go make some pancakes for you.
Yay! Best idea ever.